Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer for AM for the morning, SPF 35, broad spectrum, UVA and UVB sunscreen, all skin types, oil free, 3 ounces. Let's go. I like unboxing all of these because sometimes they change up the packaging. It's nice to know how this packaging evolves over the time. All right, let's get into it. This is my daily. I've been using this a long time. Really like this brand. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it looks good. New modern design. Here's the back. Then you twist to turn it on or off. All right, I'll drop a link in the video description where you can get this from. And let me know what you think of this product in the comment section below. All right, everyone, take care. Use your sunscreen. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.